Hello you guys, welcome to today's video tutorial. Today we are going to go over to a new video tutorial called Facebook Messenger. We are still on our Facebook series, so I'm going to be teaching you guys a new trick on your Facebook Messenger. Actually, it's not a new trick, sorry to say. Most people already know this, like you do use it already, and some of you might have been seeing people that use it and don't know how they do it. So I'm going to show you guys how to add a Facebook sticker. That's what I'm going to show you guys how to do today. But before then, happy new month and happy celebration on everything. So this is a new month, and hopefully we are still going to keep riding, and I'm still going to constantly upload videos daily for you guys. So make sure you check TS Text channel for new videos daily. Okay, now let's go ahead and open our Facebook Messenger. Click on your drawable bar, open it, and then try to locate your Facebook Messenger wherever it's located on your Android mobile. Go ahead and click on the Facebook Messenger icon. Once you click on it to open, you are going to see all your contacts here. So depending on the contacts you want to send a sticker to, go ahead and click on the contact. Once you've opened the contact, click on this conversation area. It's going to open a test area for you in order for you to type a message, but this time you are not sending message to anybody. We are just sending a sticker to this person which is on our contact. So to do that, go ahead and click on the emoji on your conversation input area. The emoji is just before the like button at the middle on that conversation area. You can notice it blinking. So go ahead and select the emoji right here. Once you've selected the emoji, the first option is sticker. So in order for you to send a sticker, go ahead and click on search. You could actually search any sticker that is already installed on your Facebook Messenger. Stickers are installed and they are downloaded from your Facebook from your Facebook store. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So go ahead and search whatever you want to search and whatever you want to send to the person. So let me say angry. So let's search an angry sticker. Note that this is not an emoji. It's definitely different from an emoji. The difference is emoji are not always animated, and they are always a little bit different from a sticker. A sticker is mostly animated and it has more characters, and apart from having more characters, it has more of the images, and images might be 2, 3, 4, 5. They are not really so different, but emoji actually sticks on a particular face, rounded face, like the popular smiley face and other emoji emotions. So go ahead and select anyone you want to choose, and once you select any emoji to be sent, and you can notice it right here, the emoji is already sent. So another thing we need to do is, we already sent this emoji to this person which we searched, and I'm going to show you guys a new way to actually send a different emoji that is different from this particular icon. For emojis, they are always going to be installed from the Facebook store. So I'm going to show you guys how to download a different emoji. So in order to do that, go ahead and select the smiley face again, and you're going to see the sticker show up for you. So in order for you to add or download a new emoji, go ahead and select the plus icon just after this cute cat over here. So go ahead and click on the plus icon. Once you click on the plus icon, it's going to load up, and then it's going to show you some different features. So my internet is not that fast. Okay, now it has loaded, and when you notice, you can see Sunny, you can see Jeffy, you can see Puppy Love. Scroll down, Mary and Bright. So depending on, Facebook actually uploads different stickers to their Play Store depending on the trending period or whatever is trending. Like if it's Halloween, you're going to be seeing more of Halloween stickers that is going to be featured. So you should just select any new sticker you like, then click on the download. It's going to download, and once it's downloaded, we'll be able to make use of it. I think the Peretto looks a bit cute, so it looks like a cute dog or a cat. I don't know what it is. So let's download that, and the emojis are not bad. So let's click and download the emojis also. It looks more like a sticker emoji. So let's click on the emojis. You can download as many as you want. just for you to make use of and to interact with your friend easily. So it's downloading and it's done. So go ahead and click on it. Let's see what it has. It's loading. It's still loading. Let me go ahead and pause this video while it loads. Okay, it's loaded up. So you can see it has different emojis and so many cute faces, and you could actually pick any one you want. I think I really want to make use of this one, so let's go ahead and make use of it. Go back again. Click on the sticker. The sticker is already selected. Okay, it actually downloaded smileys, Moody's for us. You can notice there is a lot of Moody's. It's actually looking like a simple emoji, but it's more 3D like. But let's see what this does. Click on it. Wow, isn't that cute? I love it. So this is what stickers do. And for some other reason, let me show you guys something else. Click on the plus button. Apart from the featured area, that's not the only emojis, that's not the only stickers we have around. It's not just this one. You know, you could scroll down and it keep loading, but this is the last page. That's not the only stickers we have, but this is the stickers we have on the featured area. So go ahead and select on all, and you're going to see more stickers, and you can scroll and scroll and scroll just until you find the one you're interested in or you would like. You go ahead and select it. This is Batman and Superman. You can go ahead and download that. Whatever emoji you want to download, you could just click on it and then check it out and see if you're going to like it. If you do like it, just go ahead and download it. But if you don't, just ignore. Like, this is a tutorial base, so if you guys are interested in downloading more emojis, this is how you get it. So you could just go ahead and select it and then download. Then apart from that, you could also select your stickers and then to see the stickers you already have installed, and here of them you could always click and then check them out and see if they are cool. So they are cool, that's it, and you already have your stickers. And you could also do more things. Click on edit and then you could actually delete. But I'm going to show you guys that on another credit. So actually my guy is getting things, so he's sending me different emojis, so I think he's not really comfortable with what I'm sending because he doesn't know what I'm doing. So I'm actually going to tell him later on that I'm making a video, because I never told him I was making a video. So hopefully this video helped you guys, and I actually missed something. Let me go ahead and show you, just in case you really don't like the emoji you downloaded. Just go to your stickers and then do that. I think this video is getting a bit long. Let me show you guys that on the next video, so make sure you follow up on the next video. It's going to be very short, but I'm just going to make sure I show you guys and easily you understand it, hopefully. So that's how to make the that's how to download and make use of your emoji, which it's really crazy for Mr. Crazy Cube. Okay, Mr. Crazy Cube. So thanks for watching this video. My name is Troz and I really appreciate your support. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and if this video really helped you in a way, please leave a comment below in my comment section, and I really appreciate that. And please make sure you share this video if it helped you guys, or if you have someone who is in need of it. So see you guys some other time, and don't forget to subscribe and expect more videos daily.